this is Shaheen and welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss intermediate second year 2B chapter number 6 integration. Before exercise 6B some formulas are there. We will explain with proof. Okay. See beta, integral of in square root of a square minus x square into dx equal to a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a plus x by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus integral constant. Okay. So first of all you can take let I equal to integral in square root of a square minus x square dx. Okay. See beta, put x equal to, I will take here sine theta. Okay. Differentiate with respect to theta. D by d theta into x equal to d by d theta into a into sine theta. Okay. Dx by d theta equal to d by d theta of sine theta. Okay. Dx by d theta equal to a into d by d theta of sine theta is cos theta. Okay. So dx equal to a into cos theta d theta. See beta here I equal to integral square root of a square minus x square into dx na. So take here integral a square in square root of a square means you can write a square as it is minus in the place of x you can take a into sine theta whole square x square nama into dx. Okay. In the place of dx you can write a into cos theta d theta. Integral in square root of a square minus a square into sine square theta into a into cos theta d theta. Integral in square root of a square you common beta 1 minus sine square theta into a into cos theta d theta. Next integral in square root of a square 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta into a into cos theta d theta. Integral in square root of a into cos theta whole square. Okay. A into cos theta d theta. Square root get cancelled. Integral a into cos theta into a into cos theta d theta. A into a square. A square is a constant. You can write outside of the integral. Integral cos square theta d theta. Now see beta, here I will apply multiply and divide with 2. That means a square by 2 into integral 2 into cos square theta d theta. Not apply beta. Multiply and divide with a square by 2 nana. A square by 2 into integral cos square theta d theta. Okay. Next formula ma 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 times of cos square theta. Okay. So in the place of write in the place of 2 cos square theta 1 plus cos 2 theta. Okay. A square by 2 into integral of 1 plus cos 2 theta into d theta. Okay. Now you can write integral separate nana. 1 into d theta plus integral of cos 2 theta into d theta. Okay. Next. Close the bracket. Okay. In a square by 2 into integral d theta means theta plus integral cos 2 theta is sin 2 theta by 2. Okay. Next, a square by 2 into theta plus sin 2 theta formula 2 sin theta cos theta by 2. Okay. A square by 2 into theta plus 2 get cancelled. Sin theta into cos theta. Okay. See beta. Next. A square by 2 into theta. Theta means here you can write x by a equal to sin theta. Sin inverse of x by a equal to theta nama. So substitute in the place of theta sin inverse of x by a plus sin theta. Sin theta means what ma? X by a na? X by a into cos theta. See beta, we know one identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay. Cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin theta means x by a whole square. Correct beta? Okay. Cos theta equal to in square root of 1 minus x square by a square. Correct ma? So substitute in the place of cos theta this one. In square root of 1 minus x square by a square. Okay. A square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus x by a into cross multiplication. A square minus x square by a square bracket close. Now you multiply a square by 2 for these two terms. A square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus a square by 2 into x by a into this one ma, you can write separate a square minus x square by root a square means a only na. Okay. 1a here 1a here a square cancel la. A square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus x by 2 into in square root of x a square minus x square plus integral constant. Or you can write x into square root of a square minus x square by 2 in 2 plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus integral constant. Okay. Both are same beta. Next another formula. Next one beta, integral square root of x square minus a square into dx equal to x into square root of x square minus a square by 2 minus a square by 2 into cos h inverse x by a plus integral constant. Okay. Let you can take I equal to integral of square root of x square minus a square into dx. Here cos h inverse of x by a is there nama. So that's why I will take here put x equal to a into cos h theta. Okay. Differentiate with respect to theta. D by d theta of x equal to d by d theta of a into cos h theta. Dx by d theta equal to a is a constant. You can write outside of the derivative Okay, d by d theta of cos h theta is sin h theta. Okay ma, dx equal to a into sin h theta, you can write d theta here into d theta. Now I equal to integral square root of x means a into cos h theta whole square minus a square into dx means a into sin h theta d theta. Okay, integral in square root of a square cos h square theta minus a square whole into sin h theta into d theta. Integral of in square root of a square common beta, cos h square theta minus 1 into a into sin h theta into d theta. Integral of in square root of a square into cos h square theta minus 1 is sin h square theta into a into sin h theta into d theta. Integral in square root of a into sin h theta whole square into a into sin h theta d theta. Square root get cancel. Integral a into sin h theta whole into a into sin h theta d theta. Integral a square sin h square theta d theta. A square is constant ma, you can write outside of the integration integral sin h square theta d theta. Okay, next here also multiply and divide with 2. So you can write 1 by 2 outside, inside 2 into sin h square theta d theta. A square by 2 into integral 2 into sin h square theta is cos h 2 theta minus 1 ma formula d theta. Now you can write integral separate. A square by 2 into integral cos h 2 theta d theta minus integral 1 into d theta. Okay, a square by 2 into integral cos 2 theta d theta is sin h 2 theta. Here in the place of theta 2 theta is there, so by 2 minus integral theta d theta means theta. Okay, next a square by 2 into sin h 2 theta, that means sin 2 theta, 2 into sin h theta cos h theta by 2 minus theta, 2 get cancel. A square by 2 into sin h theta cos h theta minus theta. Okay, here see beta, x by a equal to cos h theta. Cos h inverse of x by a equal to theta na. So substitute here. In the place of theta, you can write a square by 2 into sin h theta cos h theta minus theta. We know that sin h theta equal to in square root of cos h square theta minus 1. Correct beta? In square root of cos h theta means x by a whole square minus 1. That means in square root of x square by a square minus 1. So sin h theta you can write in square root of x square cross multiplication minus a square by a square into cos h theta is x by a minus theta is cos h inverse of x by a. Okay, a square by 2 into in square root of x square minus a square by a square, root a square means a only, into x by a minus cos h inverse of x by a. Now you multiply a square by 2 for these two terms. A square by 2 into root x square by minus a square by a into a square into x minus a square by 2 into cos h inverse of x by a. Okay, a square get cancelled. Now x into root x square minus a square by 2 minus a square by 2 into cos h inverse of x by a plus integral constant. So this is the proof. Okay, next another formula beta. Next you can take let I equal to integral in square root of a square plus x square dx. Okay, put x equal to, here sin h inverse of x by a is there na, so you can take a into sin h theta. Okay, differentiate with respect to theta. D by d theta of x equal to d by d theta of a into sin h theta. Dx by d theta equal to, a is a constant, d by d theta of sin h theta. Okay, next dx by d theta equal to a into d by d theta of sin h theta is cos h theta. So dx equal to a into cos h theta d theta. Okay, now I equal to integral in square root of a square plus x square nama, x means a into sin h theta, square is there, whole square, dx. Here dx means you can write this one, a into cos h theta d theta. Okay, now integral in square root of a square plus a into sin h theta whole square, that means a square sin h square theta into a into cos h theta d theta. Next, you common a square from these two terms, 1 plus sin h square theta into a into cos h theta d theta. Integral in square root of a square into 1 plus sin h square theta cos h square theta. Okay, a into cos h theta d theta. Integral in square root of a into cos h theta whole square into a into cos h theta into d theta. Square root get cancelled. Integral a into cos h theta into a into cos h theta d theta. Integral a square cos h square theta d theta. A square you common beta. Integral cos h square theta d theta. Okay, now again you multiply and divide with 2. Okay, correct ma? D theta. Okay. A square by 2 into integral of 2 into cos h square theta is 1 plus cos h2 theta into d theta. Now you can write integral separate. A square by 2 into integral of 1 into d theta plus integral of cos h2 theta into d theta. A square by 2 into integral 1 d theta means theta plus integral cos h2 theta means sin h2 theta. Here 2 is there. Okay. A square by 2 into theta plus this one sin h2 theta 2 sin h theta cos h theta formula by 2. Square root get cancelled. A square by 2 into theta plus sin h theta cos h theta. Okay. A square by 2 into theta. Theta means here x by a equal to sin h theta sin h inverse of x by a equal to theta. So substitute in the place of theta sin h inverse of x by a plus sin h theta formula again sin already sin h theta is x namma x by a cos h theta you can write in square root of 1 plus sin square h theta. That means 1 plus sin h theta is x by a whole square in square root of 1 plus x square by a square. Okay. That means in square root of a square plus x square by a square. Substitute here. Sin h theta is x by a into cos h theta is in square root of a square plus x square by a square. Okay. Now multiply with a square by 2 for these two terms. A square by 2 into sin h inverse of x by a plus a square by 2 into x by a into in square root of a square plus x square by square root of a square is a. 1a that means a square get cancelled. A square by 2 into sin h inverse of x by a plus x by 2 into root a square plus x square plus integral constant. Or you can write first this term x by 2 into root a square plus x square plus a square by 2 into sin h inverse of x by a plus c. So this is the required proof of this formula. Okay. Next class we will discuss exercise problems ma. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Take care to all of you.